Welcome to the mobile ticketing tutorial. I'm your host, Jake Alaruzo, Sales and Marketing Assistant at Sports Traveler. Mobile ticketing is now a system used by all major sports leagues, and mobile tickets must be scanned off of a smartphone. You cannot print a mobile ticket at home. When someone sends you a mobile ticket, you'll receive an email similar to this one. In order to accept the ticket, you'll click the Accept Ticket icon in the email. If someone has sent you this email and you cannot locate it, make sure to check your spam folder. After you've accepted the ticket, you'll be brought to a login screen. From here, you can create a new account or log into an existing account. After you have logged in, you'll see this main page, and you'll want to click the ticket icon to view all the events that you have tickets for. You'll then select the event you want to view the tickets for, and then select the ticket. When the ticket appears on your screen, you'll see the barcode. This is the barcode that is scanned at the stadium in order for you to gain entry. A common issue is that you have your ticket, but the barcode isn't appearing. This is because some teams will put a hold on the barcode until 48 hours prior to the game. Another issue is that you're on your account, but you don't see any tickets. When this happens, you want to make sure that you've logged in using the same email that you accepted the tickets from. If you accepted the ticket using a Facebook account, you'll want to make sure you log in through that same Facebook account in order to view your tickets. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on mobile ticketing. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to Sports Traveler. Thank you.